question to ask you.
Okay.
As informal interview.
Okay.
Since when did you start interest in learning foreign languages?
Oh, I've always been good at words and languages have always been interesting to me, but it was really just in the course of my own formal education in college and in graduate school. I just studied more and more languages, but then when I finished school, that's when I really took off and studied a lot of them on my own.
You know, we are your students and really we admire you a lot. You are so knowledgeable and really talented. And when did you find out that you have talent in languages?
Thank you very much for saying that, but I'm not really sure that I have a true talent in the sense. Sometimes you hear about, you know, a child prodigy who can play the piano just like a concert pianist when he's still a little boy. I certainly don't have any real talent like that. Like I said, I've always liked words and language and that kind of thing, but I think it's more experience and you know, and know-how developing